How to fix SIM failure on iPhone? Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now enable for the option Airplane Mode. This refreshes your iPhone's network connection. Now disable it. Check for carrier update. For that, scroll down and navigate to the option General. Click on the option About. Wait a few seconds to see if a carrier update prompt appears. If it does, tap Update. If you don't see a prompt, continue to the next step. Reinsert your SIM card. If you are using a physical SIM card, locate the SIM tray on the side of your phone. Use a SIM ejector tool, paperclip or earring to pop out the SIM card. Remove it gently, then reinsert it and make sure it's seated properly. This helps the phone reinitialize the SIM connection. Next, disable VPN. For that, head back. Go to the main page of settings. Make sure you have disabled for the option VPN. Sometimes VPN interfere with your SIM connection. Next, reset network settings. For that, click on General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. This will reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and cellular settings, but won't delete any of your personal data. Next up, update iOS. Head back, scroll up, click on the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your software to its latest version. Lastly, what you want to do is first restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, quickly press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and Apple logo appears. Let go once the Apple logo shows up. This reloads the software and won't delete your data. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps will fix SIM failure on your device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.